tutorial, we will learn about MS Excel XPS. Okay, so this is the interface of MS Excel and XPS spreadsheet. On the top menu, you see Home, Insert, Page Layout, Formula Bar, Data, Review, View, and Cloud. So, come to the Home menu. How to open a spreadsheet and MS Excel. So, there is two ways to open new sheet in Excel. Firstly, just click on spreadsheet and then click on new blank workbook. Okay, so the file B will be open and created. If you want to create a new worksheet using shortcut Control plus N, and your new workbook will be ready in seconds. The second thing, how to open old file in your Excel. For this purpose, the manual way to come to spreadsheet or home menu, click on file and open. You will see the open option here. Click on them and open your desired Excel file from your system or online. The short key for the opening of old file or existing file, Control plus O. Okay, my computer document, from where you want to extract your file, you can use Control plus O. Another menu and file menu is close all, save, save as, save all, page setup, print area, print preview, print export, PDF, send as an email, share, properties, encryption, and exit. And second on the spreadsheet home button is edit, undo, redo, copy, cut, paste, keep text only, paste, special, fill, erase, delete sheet, move or copy sheet, find, replace, good. Third is view, normal, page break view, print layout, reading layout, eye protection, night mode, task window, toolbar, formula bar, header, footer, full screen. Third is insert, cell, rows, column, sheet, chart, symbol, etc, function, name, comments, picture, grab screen, camera, equation, object, file object, hyperlink. The format using for the different styles, cells, rows, column, sheet, etc. Tools, we use tools, spell check, set language, change, transition, recalculate workbook, calculate, convert to text number, convert to text to hyperlink, thesaurus, share workbook, track change, products, goal seek, formula editing, solver, add in, comment, back menu, options, switch language, switch UI interface, data, sorting, A to Z to A, filtering, form, subtotal, validation, text to column, consolidate, group and outline, pivot table, import, export, external data, list, duplicate, window, new window, close, other window, hide, horizontal, vertical, cascade, split, trees. Okay, help. And help, you will see spreadsheet help, feedback, active, WPS Office page, new feature, WPS Facebook, check for updates, switch UI, enter equation code, and about spreadsheet. So this is the interface of MS Excel XPS sheet. And home menu, paste, cut and copy, format printer, font style, font size, font style bold, italic, underline, give border to the whole document, bucket for coloring background, text background, erase format. This option is used for align. So thanks for watching.